Question tags. Question tags are short questions placed at the end of a sentence, and they are used when asking for agreement or confirmation. We mostly use question tags in spoken English. Let's look at a sentence with a question tag. Regular question. Did you do your homework yesterday? Question tag. You did your homework yesterday, didn't you? So, here the question tag is, didn't you? We don't use question tags at the end of a question. For example, did you do your homework yesterday, didn't you? We have two questions here, so this is not correct. Question tags are made using an auxiliary verb and a subject pronoun. For example, you will be here in 10 minutes, won't you? In this case, will is our auxiliary verb, and you is our subject pronoun. Usually, if the main clause is positive, then the question tag is negative, and if the main clause is negative, the question tag is positive. Here is an example with a positive statement and a negative question tag. She is a nurse, isn't she? And a negative statement and a positive question tag would be, she is not a nurse, is she? Let's look at some examples of question tags. His father is a dentist, isn't he? She likes playing tennis, doesn't she? He has got a nice car, hasn't he? Sophia didn't go to school yesterday, did she? You haven't had breakfast yet, have you? You had been to London before, hadn't you? She will come back tomorrow, won't she? John can make his own decision, can't he? They couldn't come to the party, could they? I should see a doctor, shouldn't I? You must call him, mustn't you? She wouldn't meet with Daniel, would she? Here are some exceptions. Be careful with the following question tags. If the statement has a negative meaning, then a positive question tag is used. For example, he never plays computer games, is he? Nobody knows the truth, do they? The second exception is with am. There is no contracted form of am not, so we use aren't in question tag. For example, I'm invited to the party, am not I? This is not correct. The correct one is, I'm invited to the party, aren't I? Be careful with the following question tags as well. Let's go to the gym, shall we? Don't stay up late tonight, will you? Write 3 statements with question tags in the comments. We'll try our best to reply your comment. Thanks for watching.